Alison will be responsible for events within the auditorium, for example, the opening ceremony, the general meeting and the change of insignia. Rhiann will be responsible for events outside the auditorium, such as delegate check-in and catering. All lead stewards will report to either Alison or Rhiann. On arrival at the Wales Millennium Centre, stewards should report to the steward's desk in the main foyer, where a lead steward will meet them and take them to the auditorium. There will be a safety briefing at 3 o'clock on Thursday afternoon, followed by an orientation meeting for all volunteers at 4 o'clock. This will be followed by a rehearsal for the change of insignia ceremony. On arrival at the Wales Millennium Centre, volunteer stewards should report to the steward's desk in the main foyer, where a lead steward will meet them, give out sashes and take them to the auditorium. There will be a safety briefing at 4 o'clock on Thursday, followed by an orientation meeting for all volunteers. Please meet at the front desk. This will be followed by a rehearsal for the opening ceremony. The change of insignia rehearsal follows the afternoon session on Friday. During conference, the conference committee, office staff and lead stewards will have use of the Millennium Lounge. This room will be kept locked and members will be able to gain access via a code. This is a plan of the main auditorium as seen from the stage. Seating for VIPs is on the front 3 rows of the mid-stalls, that is rows D, E and F. Seating for delegates with mobility problems will be in the back 2 rows of the raised stalls, as indicated by the wheelchair signs to the left of the text box. During the general meeting, voting delegates will be seated at the front of the lower stalls. Delegates who have not registered for conference can do so at the registration desk. On Thursday, this will be situated in the foyer next to the delegate check-in desks. On Friday and Saturday, delegates should be directed to the SIGBI stand in the exhibition area, that is in the Western Suite, Level 1. When checking conference passes, you should also check that the delegate has registered to attend that particular session, as indicated with a tick on their pass. On Saturday evening, stewards will need to collect lanyards as delegates leave the auditorium. These should be handed in to one of the Deputy Chief Stewards. There will be a separate delegate check-in desk for those needing extra assistance. Stewards for the delegates requiring assistance will be wearing yellow rosettes. Delegates requiring extra assistance will have a yellow spot on their conference pass, and any accompanying person will have a red spot on their pass. A full list of all exhibitors will appear on the SIGBI conference website. In the event of an emergency, the staff at the Wales Millennium Centre will take over. Stewards should ask a member of staff to radio the front desk, or, if a phone is nearby, ring 4700 for assistance.